Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. Start by exiting Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here, select Allow in the pop-ups and choose Home button. Now you need to click on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap on Get It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can always switch between them by going into Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then choose Default Apps and click on Home app. If you wish to go back into the default one, click on Xperia Home. And if you wish to switch to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!